Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a bag unboxing that I recently ordered. I thought I would open my package in front of the camera. So here we have the box. It just arrived maybe 2 hours ago and I wanted to sit in front of the camera and open the box. So let's go. Maybe you can tell from the dust bag what unboxing it is, or maybe from the title, which I haven't decided yet, the title of my video. Anyways, let's get rid of the box. It's a nice large dust bag. Maybe you have an idea what it is. Here it says Henri Bendel, New York. Very nice dust bag. I must say I really like their dust bags. They're really good quality dust bags. And I like the stripy pattern too. Okay, so here's a review of the bag. It's the first time I'm looking at it too. Wow. It's actually bigger than I thought. It is, what's the name of this? I think it's called West 57th Dome Tote, something like that. I forgot the name. I will put it, the name somewhere here or down in the description. So here it is, guys. It's a very nice sized tote. This is what it looks like. These grommets here say Henri Bendel on it. Maybe you could see properly. I'm sorry about the out of focus camera. Okay, so there is a very nice size pocket right here. Just a price tag, if you can read. It has a signature Henri Bendel lining inside. There's another big pocket right here with magnetic closure, same lining inside. Very nice fabric. Is this? Yes, both sides are magnetic closures. And now let's open the main pocket. There is this plastic covering on the zipper, and the zipper says Henri Bendel on it too, if you can catch it. Let's open it. Nice smooth zipper. Okay. Bunch of packaging inside. Pocket stuffing. Okay, I think this is the largest tote I have now. Sorry about the shaky camera, guys. Okay, so there is a large pocket here, another good sized pocket here. This will definitely fit my iPhone 8 Plus. There's a nice size zipper pocket right here. Okay, the zipper is not very smooth here. I think it'll get better with use. Okay, not so bad. Anyways, so this zipper also has Henri Bendel here and their signature bow, and yeah, So this is the main pocket, same nice HB lining. Yep. And oh yes, I like this feature in some tote bags. There is this snap button here for this zipper end. You know, you could either snap it right here, or you could unsnap that and turn the zipper end in, like so. So like it doesn't sticks out like this. It doesn't stick out like this all the time. So that's your choice how you like it. I think I'm gonna keep it turned in like this. So yeah. Yes, I'm very happy about how much space this bag has.
I was debating whether should I get another tote from Louis Vuitton or like the Neverfull. It looks about the same size of an Neverfull.
But this is made out of leather for sure. It's like a pebbled leather kind of leather, and it's very sturdy, I can tell. I like this HB hanging tag here. I like this touch, and it also says Henri Bendel right there. You can see properly right there. I like that touch. So yeah. So I will let you know after I wear it how it wears and how comfortable it is on the shoulder and all other stuff. If you want me to review it, I can review it after using it for a little while. So for now, that's my Henri Bendel tote. It has this dome shaped edge on top. That's why it's called the dome. I like that style. Instead of a straight line, it has a little dome. It gives a little different touch than the other bags. So thanks for watching my unboxing, guys, with me, and please like and subscribe if you like my videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.